some breaking updates as well. Amid concern over LPG supply, government sources have told us after directions that were issued yesterday, the directions that I just now read out for you viewers, there is a 10% increase in production of LPG by oil refineries. Now, this is a very important aspect. Government has increased the number of days from 21 to 25 when you can book your LPG cylinder. The idea is to check malpractices like black marketing, etc. Essential Commodities Act has been invoked. Now, these are some of the updates we are getting from the government side. My colleague Pragya is now joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, a couple of measures I have already informed my viewers about that were announced by the government. But I think the most important point you've shared with us is that there has been a 10% increase in production of LPG by oil refineries. I mean, this is significant because the government has ordered the oil refineries to enhance their LPG production.
Absolutely, and this order has been given last week to all the refineries that they have, they have to use propane and butane to produce LPG because the priority is domestic consumers. No household should run dry, and in fact, this is what the government is aiming at. And in fact, the government says that not a single distributor in India is running dry right now. In fact, the waiting period for LPG delivery remains same, which is 2.5 days. And in fact, as against some reports, ESMA has not been invoked. It is Essential Commodity Act, in which government has the right to control, produce, supply, distribute, the essential commodities. And this is why they are, they have invoked the Essential Commodities Act here. But, as far as India is concerned, the government says that we have 70 days of storage capacity. Crude oil position remains very sound. And in fact, the three-member committee that they had made to address grievances of the, regarding LPG grievance and complaints, those three members will be addressing it on a routinely basis. And in fact, the situation is being monitored by the top officers in the country in 24/7. In fact, we have gone to other countries. We are speaking with other countries. Other countries are also speaking with us. We are also speaking to agencies like OPEC, IEA. The fact is that the markets have recovered slightly today, and this looks like a very good sign as far as government is concerned. And government says that we are in a happy situation right now. And we also believe that there is no reason whatsoever to panic. As far as commercial LPG is concerned, it is available off the counter as well. Plus, there is some reasonable redistribution of this particular arrangement that is done by the government. Where you had earlier 100 days, now you have, you have to see 80% of your availability. And in fact, there are many big restaurants that are using, other resources and not just the LPG also. So, the government says that there is no reason to worry at all. Commercialized establishment use only commercial LPG and industrial plates as well. Okay. So, no reason to worry. Basically, domestic consumptions take the priority here. We have 33,333 crore, connection of Ujjwala, and we are also going to deliver to them.
Right. It's just a very important piece of information that my colleague Pragya is getting for our viewers, and it's important to note here, viewers, what the government is saying. There is no crisis at all. In fact, all efforts are being made to safeguard the Indian consumers. And very important update that Pragya also shared with us, that there is a 10% increase already in the production of LPG by oil refiners. So, of course, there is a concern around commercial LPG cylinders, which is impacting the restaurants and hotels. But the government right now is focusing, to ensure that Aam Aadmi remains safe and households do not really see much of a problem there. Thank you, Pragya. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on the story. More breaking updates coming in right now. The National Restaurant Association of India has written to Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, and the letter mentions that the restaurant industry continues to face tough challenges to maintain operations because of disruption in supply of commercial LPG. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Shefali, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Shefali, can you bring us up to speed with what exactly is being demanded by the association in this particular letter?
Right. We know there are concerns regarding the LPG. So now National Restaurant Association of India has written to Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri And they're saying that there is a letter dated 9th of March that has been circulated to all the distributors by the All India LPG Distributor Federation, saying that the restaurant industry as categorizing restaurant industry as a non-essential commercial establishment, while in the same letter, the body says that during pandemic also, they were identified as essential service during COVID pandemic. So they're asking the minister to give a clarification in this regard and saying that the restaurant industry is an essential service. While they're saying that, they're also seeking time for a meeting with the minister in order to have more clarification. They're saying
Right.
although the ministry, the government has clarified there are no challenges, but on ground, the reality is different. The suppliers have expressed inability to supply the same.
Okay. Now, this is important. We'll see how the government really responds to this. Thank you, Shefali. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on the story. In fact, we also have got some ground reports for you viewers from different parts of the country. Take a look.
ईरान अमेरिका युद्ध का जो साइड इफेक्ट है वो पूरी दुनिया पर नजर आ रहा है। हिंदुस्तान में इसका असर नहीं होगा, सरकार लगातार इस बात को कह रही है, लेकिन वैश्विक असर साफ तौर पर नजर आ रहा है। भारत में भी गैस सिलेंडर्स को लेकर और पेट्रोलियम को लेकर लगातार सवाल खड़े किए जा रहे हैं विपक्ष के द्वारा भी, और आम लोग भी ये सवाल कर रहे हैं कि क्या उनकी आम जिंदगी पर फर्क पड़ेगा, क्या गैस सिलेंडर के दामों में या फिर पेट्रोलियम के दामों में फर्क पड़ेगा। इसको लेकर के जवाब तो जनता ढूंढ ही रही है, लेकिन जो सिलेंडर है, जो गैस सिलेंडर है, उसकी कई जगह शॉर्टेज अब नजर आने लगी है। आप ये पूरी एक लाइन देख रहे होंगे, यहाँ पर तमाम जो ग्राहक हैं वो यहाँ पर पहुंचे हुए हैं। गैस सिलेंडर की लंबी कतार आपको नजर आ रही होगी और तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, भोपाल की ये तस्वीरें हैं। तो ये परेशानी यहाँ पर नजर आ रही है और कुछ लोगों का ये मानना है कि ये अफवाह फैलाई जा रही है कि गैस सिलेंडर की शॉर्टेज है और इस वजह से लोग अपने अपने घरों से निकल के अब गैस सिलेंडर भरवाने चल पड़े हैं। ऐसे में सरकार को भी ये चाहिए कि जनता के बीच अगर इस तरह की कोई अफवाह फैला रहा है तो उस पर भी एक्शन ले। साथ ही साथ जनता को सरकार के द्वारा लगातार ये कहा जा रहा है कि किसी तरह की कोई शॉर्टेज नहीं है, ना ही पेट्रोलियम में और ना ही गैस सिलेंडर्स पर, लेकिन कुछ अफवाहों के चलते, कुछ पैनिक के चलते कई ऐसे लोग हैं जो अपने अपने घरों से सिलेंडर लेकर भरवाने के लिए निकल पड़े हैं। डर का भी माहौल कहा जा सकता है, लेकिन इस वैश्विक समस्या का, यानी कि इजराइल, अमेरिका और ईरान का ये जो युद्ध चल रहा है, इसकी वजह से आम जनता के मन में भी काफी डर बैठा हुआ है। कैमरा यशवंत के साथ मकरंद काले, टाइम्स ऑफ भारत, भोपाल।
Well, what happens to those regular customers who come to hotels to have breakfast, lunch and dinner?
So Bangalore is a home to a very, very huge floating population of all types. We have, the IT sector workers, your private factory workers, we have the students, you have the visitors. So these are the main categories of people that will be affected majorly. So this category doesn't have any other source of, food apart from restaurants. So then it will become a cascading effect.
See, generally most of the people who are working, they are mostly either they are staying in PGs or most of them are bachelors. Even if the family is there, the husband and wife both are working. So most of them, they hardly cook at home. So indirectly or directly, they are dependent on the hotel industry. Suppose the hotel industry is not running, it is going to be a big mess.
Well, rightly, like both of them mentioned, it would definitely have a larger impact, not just for customers, but also for them who are working here in the hotel industry itself.
वो मंडे हमारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, कल हमारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर कमर्शियल गैस सिलेंडर आज से सप्लाई नहीं होता है करके हमारे को मैसेज दिया। हमारे को शॉक हो गया। ये जो हमारा पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्टर बोल रहे 60 दिन को हमारा पास स्टॉक है, हमारा पास हम दे सकते हैं करके हमारा पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्टर का एक ट्वीट है। ये जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर लोग हैं ना, कमर्शियल सिलेंडर सप्लाई नहीं दे रहे। अभी जो सडनली ऐसा बोल दिया तो हम होटल कैसा चलाना है?
कुछ नहीं साहब, स्थिति बहुत खराब हो रही है। अब क्या करा जाए, व्यवसाय करना ही मुश्किल हो गया। अब कहाँ से सरकार के ऊपर, बल्कि ब्लैक में लेके आया था मैं तो 2500 का सिलेंडर लेके आया था, ये वो भी आज कल मिल गया था। आज का तो कोई उम्मीद ही नहीं। व्यवसाय बंद करेंगे, क्या करा जाए, आज भर का ही है, उसके बाद नहीं है। मैंने फोन भी लगाया तो कह रहे भैया माल ही नहीं, तो क्या करे। अभी लड़का वहीं बेटा था तो मना कर दिया उन्होंने। मेरा तो ये निवेदन, कॉमर्शियल से कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं, सरकार को तो फायदा ही है ना, उसका डबल रेट है। कोई वो तो घरेलू रेट तो चला नहीं रहे भाई, कमर्शियल का तो रेट डबल है, तो उसमें डबल देने में आपको क्या दे।
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. More news and updates coming your way on the other side. Stay with us.